Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about September 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The August 2024 Visa Bulletin. The August 2024 Visa Bulletin arrived with minimal changes, which was anticipated by many following the recent trend. After the somewhat disappointing July 2024 Visa Bulletin, expectations were set for either stagnancy or potential retrogression in the latest announcement. Although there were no pullbacks in priority dates, the lack of significant movement indicates a cautious approach by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Recent trends and developments. The first half of 2024 was marked by consecutive positive shifts in priority dates across various categories. These advancements brought hope to many individuals and families awaiting their green cards. However, the momentum started to wane as the year progressed. The slight decreases in priority dates in July, followed by the near standstill in August, suggest that USCIS is adjusting its strategies and possibly preparing for more conservative movements in the coming months. Anticipating future movements. Several questions arise from the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, especially concerning future movements in priority dates. Key considerations include transition to retrogression. How soon can we expect USCIS to implement pullbacks in priority dates? The gradual slowdown in positive shifts could indicate an impending transition to retrogression, where dates move backward rather than forward. Magnitude of future changes. Will USCIS issue significant pullbacks to counterbalance the positive shifts seen earlier in the year? The extent and timing of such adjustments remain uncertain but are crucial for stakeholders to monitor. Key categories to watch. Despite the overall stagnancy, some categories have experienced notable changes. Keeping an eye on these categories is essential, as their movements can provide insights into broader trends and USCIS priority. Family, sponsored preferences. F2A, spouses and minor children of permanent residents. This category has shown resilience and may continue to see positive shifts. Employment-based preferences. EB3 India, skilled workers and professionals. Positive changes in this category indicate ongoing demand and a potential priority for processing. Understanding the impact. The near-static state of the August 2024 Visa Bulletin raises concerns and questions about the future of immigration processing and green card availability. The initial positive shifts created a sense of optimism, but the recent slowdown highlights the complexities and challenges of managing immigration flows and priority dates. For individuals and families affected by these changes, it is crucial to stay informed and prepared for potential shifts. Here are some strategies to consider. Regularly check updates. Stay updated with the latest Visa Bulletin announcements to understand how changes might impact your specific category and priority date. Consult with immigration experts. Seek advice from immigration attorneys or experts to navigate the complexities of the process and to plan for potential delays or retrogression. Prepare for possible delays. Have contingency plans in place to manage expectations and prepare for potential setbacks in the immigration process. Analyzing the USCIS approach. The cautious approach by USCIS suggests a need to balance the positive shifts seen earlier in the year with a sustainable and manageable processing rate. This balance is critical to avoid overwhelming the system and ensuring that all applicants are processed fairly and efficiently. Future predictions and recommendations. Looking ahead, the following months will be critical in understanding the direction USCIS will take. While the transition to retrogression might not be immediate, stakeholders should remain vigilant and prepared for possible pullbacks in priority dates. Before we delve into that, let's first take a look at the results of the August 2024 Visa Bulletin. August 2024 Visa Bulletin results. Here are the results of the August 2024 Visa Bulletin and the priority date changes for both family and employment-based categories. Family-based final action date. F2B Mexico, July 8, 2004 to July 15, 2004, 7-day. Date of filing application. To all other chargeable areas, November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2024, 7 months, 14 days. F2I China, November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2024, 7 months, 14 days. F2A India, November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2020, for 7 months, 14 days. F2A Mexico, November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2024, 7 months, 14 days. F2A Philippines, November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2024, for 7 months, for 14 days. F4 Mexico, April 28, 2001 to April 30, 2001, 2 days. Employment-based final action date. EB3 India, September 22, 2012 to October 22, 2012, 1 month. EB Other Workers India, September 22, 2012 to October 22, 2012, 1 month. Date of filing application. EB3 India, October 1, 2012 to November 1, 2012, 1 month. Other Workers India, October 1, 2012 to November 1, 2012, 1 month. At the beginning of 2024, there was a wave of optimism among those closely following the Visa Bulletin. The early months brought several positive announcements, with priority dates advancing significantly, offering hope to many awaiting green cards. However, as the months progressed, the magnitude of these positive shifts began to dwindle. By July 2024, the once encouraging trends had slowed to almost a standstill, with some dates advancing by only a few days. The July 2024 Visa Bulletin marked a notable turning point, sparking concerns about the possibility of negative shifts in the near future. Evaluating USCIS adjustments and their implications. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, has been diligently working on various system reforms and improvements. The initial positive changes were a reflection of these efforts. However, as USCIS evaluates the impacts of these reforms, there seems to be a shift toward stagnancy. The gradual reduction in the magnitude of date advancements suggests that USCIS might be preparing for more conservative adjustments, possibly even retrogression in the coming months. Slow progression to stagnancy. The path to stagnant priority dates has been marked by a series of increasingly smaller positive shifts. Initially, significant advancements were seen, but these have tapered off, suggesting a cautious approach by USCIS. This trend indicates that while immediate retrogression may not be imminent, it remains a possibility that stakeholders should be aware of. Predictions for September 2024 Visa Bulletin. Given the patterns observed in the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, it is reasonable to anticipate potential negative shifts in the coming months. The slow transition to stagnant dates could precede a more abrupt move towards retrogression. This is particularly concerning for categories that have seen little to no movement in recent months, as these might be the first to experience setbacks. Key categories to watch. Despite the overall trend toward stagnancy, some categories have continued to see positive changes. For instance, categories like F2, spouses and minor unmarried children of permanent residents, and EB3 India, skilled workers and professionals have shown resilience. It is essential to monitor these categories closely, as their performance can provide insights into broader trends. Analyzing the August 2024 Visa Bulletin. The August 2024 Visa Bulletin provided a mixed bag of results. While many categories saw minimal changes, there were still some areas of positive movement. This mixed outcome suggests a period of uncertainty and caution moving forward. Positive shifts. F2A category. This category saw some positive movement, offering hope to spouses and minor children of permanent residents. EB3 India. This category also experienced positive changes, indicating continued demand and a potential priority for processing. Future outlook and recommendation. As we move into the latter half of 2024, the Visa Bulletin landscape appears uncertain. The cautious approach by USCIS suggests that stakeholders should prepare for possible retrogression, especially in categories that have shown little movement. However, there remains hope for continued positive changes in certain key categories. September 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions. Key factors influencing Visa Bulletin changes. Several factors influence the changes in the Visa Bulletin, including demand for visas. High demand in certain categories can lead to slower movement or retrogression. USCIS processing capacity. The ability of USCIS to process applications efficiently affects priority date movements. Legislative changes. Any changes in immigration laws or policies can significantly impact the Visa Bulletin. Categories likely to experience changes. Based on recent trends, the following categories should be closely watched for potential retrogression. EB2 and EB3 categories. These categories have seen high demand and could be candidates for retrogression. Family-based categories. Categories with historically long wait times, such as phone, unmarried adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, and four brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, might see slower movement or even retrogression. Strategies for navigating potential changes. Given the potential for negative shifts in priority dates, it is essential to have strategies in place. Stay informed. Regularly check the Visa Bulletin and stay updated on changes. Consult with immigration experts. Seek advice from immigration attorneys or experts to understand how changes might affect your specific situation. Prepare for delays. Have contingency plans in place in case of significant delays or retrogression. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about August 2024 Visa Bulletin results and analysis. The August 2024 Visa Bulletin arrived with minimal changes, aligning with expectations of either stagnancy or potential retrogression. Following a disappointing July 2024 Visa Bulletin, the latest announcement showed no pullbacks and priority dates, but lacked significant movement, indicating a cautious approach by the USCIS. In the first half of 2024, priority dates advanced positively across various categories, bringing hope to many awaiting green cards. However, momentum waned, and by July, slight decreases in priority dates were followed by near standstill in August. This suggests USCIS might be adjusting its strategies for more conservative movements. Key considerations from the August 2024 Visa Bulletin include the timing of potential retrogression and the magnitude of future changes. The gradual slowdown in positive shift may indicate an impending transition to retrogression where the dates move backward rather than forward. Stakeholders must monitor these adjustments closely. Despite overall stagnancy, notable changes occurred in specific categories. The F2A, spouses and minor children of permanent residents, category showed resilience, and the EB3 India, skilled workers and professionals category indicated ongoing demand, hinting at processing priorities. The static state of August 2024 Visa Bulletin raises concerns about the future immigration processing and green card availability. Initial positive shift created optimism, but the recent slowdown underscores the complexities of managing immigration flows and priority dates. Affected individuals and families should stay informed and prepared for potential shift by regularly checking updates, consulting immigration experts, and having contingency plans. USCIS cautious approach aims to balance earlier positive shift with sustainable processing rates to avoid system overload and ensure fair and efficient processing. While retrogression might not be immediate, stakeholders should remain vigilant and ready for possible pullbacks in priority dates. Key factors influencing Visa Bulletin changes include visa demand, USCIS processing capacity, and legislative changes. Categories likely to experience changes include EB2 and EB3 and family-based categories like F1 and F4. To navigate potential changes, individuals should stay informed, consult experts, and prepare for delays.